Hi, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen equations of straight lines with respect to gradient. I am just writing down here. That's equation y equal to mx. Then we have seen slope and intercept. The equation is y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope and c is the y-intercept. Then also we have seen two-intercept form, the equation of which is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, where a comma b are x comma y intercepts respectively. So in this video we will see two more forms of equations of straight lines, that's point slope form and 2 points form. So first let's start with point slope form. So let's say these are the coordinate axes. This is a straight line. Now, as the name suggests, point slope, that means slope m is given to you and also a point, let us say it as x1 comma y1. So I know slope, m is known to me, and a point with coordinates x1 comma y1 is given to me, right? Now to find the equation of this straight line, we know m, we have a point, so if I take x comma y as a point on this straight line, my slope m will be nothing but equivalent to slope m, which is given, is also equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. How we got it? This is nothing but delta y by delta x, change in y by change in x, which is constant because the slope of a line is constant. We have been given m, we know x1, we know y1. Now this is pretty simple. The equation is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now let's try to do a simple example on this. Suppose I have been given slope as minus half and the point as 2, 4. I have been given slope as minus half, point x1 comma y1, 2, 4. So what will be my equation? Y minus y1, that is equal to 4. Y minus 4 equal to slope. Slope is given as minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1, that is x minus 2. If you simplify this, this will be, if I multiply both the sides by 2, this becomes 2y minus 8 is equal to minus x plus 2. That's nothing but equivalent to x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now to cross check, let's substitute the point given to us in this equation. 2, x is 2, y equal to 4. 2 plus 2 into 4, that is 2 plus 8 equal to 10. Let's also check the slope. X plus 2y is 10, so 2y equal to minus x plus 10, or y equal to minus x by 2, nothing but whatever the slope is given to us. So we are good to go. Let me repeat this. We are going through point slope form. As the name suggests, we have been given a point and also we know the slope. To find out the equation of this straight line, I have slope and also I have a point. So I can straight away go ahead and assume that x comma y, a point with coordinates x comma y, is a point on the given straight line. Now I know that slope is nothing but equal to delta y by delta x. Since I have 2 points here, I can find out the slope y minus y1 by x minus x1. But this is nothing but equal to m, whose value is already given to us. Now from this we can get the equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. To apply that concept, we have seen a simple example where m is given as minus half and the point is 2, 4. So this is nothing but find the equation of straight line whose slope is minus 1 by 2 and the line is passing through the point 2, 4. Since we have been given a point and slope, this equation form is known as point slope form. That's fine? I think so. So let's move ahead to the next one. That will be 2-point form. Let me erase this. Remember the equation what we have created just now. What is the equation we have created just now? Do you remember that? Now let's go to the 2 points form. What's the meaning of 2 points form? As the name suggests, we have 2 points. So let me say the points are x1 y1 comma x2 y2. So these are the 2 points given to us. Now can you tell me, by giving these 2 points, what additional information is indirectly given to us? You are thinking? Yes, you are absolutely right. We know that slope is nothing but equal to delta y by delta x. That means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Now if you observe carefully, this is nothing but now becomes like the last whatever the point slope form, because I have been given 2 points. Using those 2 points, I have calculated slope. Once I know the slope, and I have a point either x1 y1 or x2 y2, one of those point, this is nothing but equivalent to our earlier equation. What is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is nothing but equal to m into x minus x1. You can write here y2 minus y1 by x2 x1. If you are comfortable, you can directly write y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Now why we write here y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 is, we want to have in the equation other than x and y, remaining all should be the information which is available to you directly. That means x1, y1, x2, y2 is the only information given to us. So this equation becomes, you can take it as it is, y minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1, or you can cross multiply and say y minus y1 into x2 minus x1 is nothing but equal to y2 minus y1 into x minus x1. I think this is not confusing. Let me repeat again. Point slope form, we have a point, we have slope. in 2-point forms, it's just extension of point slope form. Now here you know the slope. Here we haven't been given slope directly, but we can find out the slope since we have been given 2 points. If I know 2 points, I know my slope is always equal to delta y by delta x. Now I can consider one of these points and I can write my equation in point slope form by saying y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where my m is nothing but equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Substituting that in this equation, you will get y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. This is x minus x1 if it is not clear. Okay, right? Now let's see a simple example on this. You can see how easy are they, right? It's pretty simple once you understand the concept of slope. You don't need to remember all those equations, all these equations. You have to just remember that how to calculate the slope and how to find out more information. That means how to extract more points with coordinates from the problem. If you are able to do that, you can solve any type of problem in these situations. Now let me go and take a simple example. Okay. Okay. Now let's take this problem and try to resolve this. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line which is passing through 1, 2 and 4, 8. You can pause the video and try this and you can again come back. Now we know the points. Let's calculate the slope. Or you can directly substitute in the formula. Let's take this as x1, y1 and this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So my formula is y minus y1, that is y minus 2, is equal to slope y2 minus y1, 8 minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1, that is nothing but equal to 4 minus 1 into x minus x1. This nothing but y minus 2 is equal to 6 by 3. This simplifies to 2. 2 into x minus, what's the value of x1? x1 is 1. I should say here 1. So this is nothing but 2 into x minus 1. Okay. Now if I simplify this, y minus 2 equal to 2x minus 2, that's nothing but y minus 2x equal to 0. Now you want to cross check, substitute both the points. Y 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 is 0. Y 8 minus 2 into x, 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 8 is 0. So we are good to go. So we have seen in this video equations of straight lines with respect to point slope form and 2 points form. And before winding up this session, I request you to try this. Let me just try to erase this. Okay. Now, if you remember, we have derived the equation for 2 intercepts form, right? We have derived the equation if 2 intercepts are given. Do you remember that equation? Yes, you are right. The equation is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Yes, that's correct. Now what I request you to try to do is take those intercepts. We have seen earlier this point coordinates is a comma 0 and this point coordinate is 0 comma b. Earlier how we solved this problem? We have taken this as y-intercept. We have found the slope by utilizing these 2 points. Slope equal to 0 minus b by a minus a, that's minus b by a, and I have taken this y-intercept and we have substituted in y equal to mx plus c form. Now what I request you do is solve this problem in 2-point form. Solve this in 2-point form. How you will be doing it? You will be taking the points a comma 0. You will be taking the points a comma 0, 0 comma b, and substitute in this equation y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1 and find out the and try to obtain the equation in this form as x by a plus y by b equal to 1. So I'll catch you in the next video. In the next video we will see how to find the equation of a straight line which is parallel or perpendicular to a specific line. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Bye.